Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add text on CapCut video. Adding text can help emphasize important points and make your videos more informative. So, let's get started on how to add text on CapCut video. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the New Project option. Select the video. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the text option. Now tap on the Add Text option. Type in the text you want to add to your video. Finally, resize and reposition the text as needed by dragging the corners and moving it to your desired location. And this is how you can add text on CapCut video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.